Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so exciting because it's all about lip glosses. You guys know my love for lip glosses. I'm obsessed with them, and Lakme has come up with their own range of spotlight lip glosses, which is so exciting. I've swatched all of these shades in their range, and I've also given my little review and my thoughts on these lip glosses. If you guys want to know what that is, then please keep on watching. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. Please subscribe for more beauty, fashion and lifestyle related videos. And now let's get right into the video. So here are all of the 8 shades that I have from the Spotlight lip gloss range. As you can see, the box is broken. I accidentally broke the box when I received the package, but anyways, these are all of the 8 shades, and you guys can see the shade range is just stunning. It's beautiful. They have everything from nudes, browns, berries, pinks and reds. They have a great variety of shades, and I've rarely seen a brand that comes up with like so many shades in lip glosses. Like generally brands just have like 2-3 shades of lip glosses, but Lakme has 8 different shades, and I am honestly living for these colors. So let's talk about the formula a little bit. If you guys want to watch the swatches directly, I'm gonna add the timestamp on the screen. You guys can directly go and watch the swatches if you want to, and if you guys want to know about the formula, then stay tuned. So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in this like really stunning packaging. It reminds me of the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick, like the size and everything, but this is a lip gloss. So the packaging is just stunning. It's tiny. It feels very luxurious. It has a rose gold lid which looks really stunning, and these lip glosses retail for 675 rupees each. So what's different about this gloss is that it is highly pigmented. It's almost like a glossy lipstick. It has so much pigment that you can literally wear it on its own. Currently I have it on with a lip liner, but I've swatched all of the shades without any lip liner, just on my bare lips, and you guys can see that the color payoff is just so stunning. You can literally skip your lipstick or lip liner and just directly use this lip gloss. So all of these lipsticks are so highly pigmented. They're so rich in texture. Also it just has a very nice velvety creamy texture, and it's not like very highly glossy where it's like sticking and everything. It's just a beautiful luxurious formula. It's very velvety on the lips, very moisturizing, fades very evenly. It does not like leave a patchy finish, or it does not dry out your lips when it's like faded away. It fades very beautifully. It's also absolutely non-sticky. You guys can see it's not sticking to my lips. It almost feels like my Dior lip gloss. That one is also like so smooth and absolutely non-sticky. It definitely feels something like that. Also, all of these lip glosses are so opaque. They're not very sheer. Only one shade is a little bit sheer, which is this pink color right here. This is in the shade Dewy Pink. This one has a little bit of shimmer particles. The rest, all of them do not have any shimmer particles. So if you guys are gonna purchase this particular shade, then keep in mind that this one has a little bit of shimmer, and it's just a very pretty shade, but it's a little bit on the sheer side. It's not very opaque, and the most opaque shade that I've tried is this one, which is Deep Flamingo. Very surprisingly, I thought that the deeper shades are gonna be more like sheer. They're not gonna have like very high color payoff, but this one has such a beautiful color payoff. You can honestly wear it on its own without a lipstick. And also this brown shade that I'm wearing currently, this is also very opaque. Also, talking about the packaging, it has a doe foot applicator, which is always very convenient for application. It does not have that regular lip brush for lip glosses. That is like really uncomfortable. Also, it has a stopper over here which helps you pick out the right amount of product for one application. So yes, the packaging is just top notch. The price point is very justifying according to the formula of these lip glosses. So if you guys are looking for really nice moisturizing luxurious feeling lip glosses, definitely go ahead with these. They have amazing color payoff. They feel so comfortable and so moisturizing on the lips. So yes, this is definitely like one of my favorite lip gloss formulas. My personal favorite shades are these 3. The first one is Creme Caramel, which is the lightest shade that they have. This is a beautiful brown nude color. The next shade is Mocha Brown, which is a true brown color. It's what I'm wearing on my lips right now, and it looks so stunning on my skin color. It really complements my dusky skin. And the other one is Deep Flamingo. This is a beautiful a universally flattering red color. It's a beautiful deep red. It's so stunning. Again, really complements my skin color, and as I said, this one is the most pigmented lip gloss out of all of these, and I really like the color payoff. This is all I have to say about these lip glosses. Now let's get started with the swatches.